Hi guys, it's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today we've got for sale this Triumph Tiger 800. Really nice clean bike, really light as well, so if you want to do a bit of touring, do a bit of off-road and stuff like that, these are one to have because they are really light and they're really punchy with the 3-cylinder engine. So this one is a 2014 on a 14 plate and it has done, I'll tell you in a second, 5,418 miles. Like I said, mega nice clean bike. It's got the bash plate on the bottom, it's got the top box, it's got Oxford heated grips, ABS, big screen on it like you saw. More or less a big full standard bike, hasn't been tampered with. Bit of an added bonus, we're going to give it a good service. We're going to put new chain and sprockets on it. I'm going to put a new set of tyres on it as well, so it'll be good to go for this year. It's got some handguards like you've just seen there. Like I say, you can see ABS light flashing as well. That does go out when you start riding it, just to let you know. Give it a quick fire up. Cool bike for not a lot of money, and it's all going to get all that stuff like I said. So what are you waiting for? Get yourself down and get it bought, or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.